Hi there, this is Carla with WTI. Now I want to talk to you guys about this game that I have purchased for my Nintendo Switch, and this is the Super Mario Odyssey. Now, Super Mario Odyssey, I would say it's like the Super Mario World, but here it's more 3D where you can move around and see where Mario is at. This game is about Mario being on a globe-trotting adventure. So you have your different worlds, and it's easy to use because you also have the hat. So that's a cool feature where you could be the hat and turn into different characters. What I like is that as Mario is walking, you can really view the whole landscape. As you can see, as I move the arrows, you can view the sky, the water, and just the graphic design on here. It is really, really nice. So I can be entertained. So this game is very interactive, and to get the most use of it, use the Joy-Cons because that's how you are able to use different features with Mario. So if you're looking for a fun interactive game, I highly recommend the Super Mario Odyssey for the Nintendo Switch, and that is my point of view.